Did you ever play Command and Conquer? Because if you did, you probably know your resources. If you didn't play Command and Conquer, you probably played Catan. Catan! Oh darn, I dropped one of my resources. So resources work really well in games. You need something to craft something. Um, it's an ideal way to manage flow in a game apart from time. Resource management. And in order to progress or get the upper hand in the game, players must define tactics, make choices, and manage their resources. Um, the ideal way also is that you can use like 2 pieces of wood and 3 pieces of stone to create a building. Makes complete sense. And resources can be collected, resources could be shared, resources could be, well, whatever. So in Farmville, for instance, I think they managed resources really well. In order, for instance, if you want to create a milkshake, if you would want to create a milkshake, you need a banana, and you need milk, or you need strawberries, and you need milk. Combining those two creates something with more value. Basic economics. But it's a really effective game mechanic to put resources in your game, even in a gamification system, maybe if you can apply it in a relevant way for the player. So, mechanic 27, resources.